Well, climbed from the bottom. Now she's trying to make her way up. I'm not sure where it's trying to get to, but it's getting there. It's probably trying to get up high where parents are. Go on. You're gonna have to figure it out. You got yourself that high up. Now where you gonna go, baby? There you go. Keep on climbing. At least you can sit at the top of the birdhouse. Go ahead. Almost there. Almost there. Look at you. Yay. Oh my goodness. You're getting there. Trying to figure out how can I get on top of it. Oh, you did it! You did it! I wonder if I should open the top so it can go inside. But then again, how? Because it'll open up towards it. Look at you! Look at the parents all proud. Baby bird is out exploring on its own for the first time.